Good afternoon, everyone. It is July 12th, for KIP's English 1C Wednesday afternoon at 3:30. Thank you for coming. I hope everything is okay after the heavy rains that we had over the weekend. Okay, today and next week are the last two classes that we have to make sure that your conversation skills are ready for the test. If you look at the schedule from July 12th, that's today, July 19th, that's the last day to be able to practice your English. And after that, we have the conversation test on July 26th. So please make sure that you come next week as well, although I'm glad you came this week, of course. But next 2 weeks from now is the conversation test. Then after that, we're going to bring you all together one more time with your computers, with your headphones, because we have a second Moodle test for you. Don't worry about it. I'll be able to explain it all to you as we go through the class today, but let's look at all the assignments for now. Okay, so today, we're going to do a little bit of shadow talking with this article, Climate Change. And like a lot of, we had reflection before about concluding sentences or sentences from a YouTube video. So the reflection is on this YouTube video. I want you to watch the video and then answer the question, what did you learn is important in writing concluding sentences, okay? So watch the video, then do this, and then I suggest that you do the concluding sentence quiz. Quiz there. So do it in the reverse order that you see it in Moodle. Do the reflection first tonight, then try to do the concluding sentences quiz. You have only 10 minutes, okay, but you can't take this up to 3 times. Moodle will remember your best score. Okay, now another thing that we have to do today is to get you into your partners. You have to make partners for your test, but that's also something that I'll explain to you after we've gotten through this English explanation. I'll explain it on Japanese again. In any case, don't forget your 2 assignments, okay? The concluding sentences quiz and the reflection. Please watch the video and do your best to write in English what it is that you think that you learned from that. Okay, if you have any questions, please remember you can always contact me at jdmcruz@gmail.com, or you can come and talk to me here after class. Okay, have a good class, everyone.